Hi and welcome back to another video. My name is John with Education Solutions, and in this particular video I would like to show you how you can curve your scores from ZENGENGO. Now I'll place a video up here above me that will lead you to a link that will help you download ZENGENGO if you'd like to try it out for yourself. It's a great website that allows you to have your students complete some tasks, many different tasks for that matter, and have them auto-graded, have all those tasks auto-graded for you so that you don't have to go through and of course spend hours and hours of your time marking different assignments here. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can work with ZENGENGO to download our scores and then curve our grades. Okay, so now that we're logged into ZENGENGO, I've got my class here. This is my fake class that I've set up for this particular video. And down here, I've got all of my assignments here that I would have given out to my students. So what you'll do first is you'll come up here where it says Folder Gradebook, and you'll click on this link right here. So I've got my test folder with my fake names right here. Now, of course, you can see that none of the assignments are completed, up to 100% of them that I've assigned. And so what you've got here first is the assignments that are completed that your students have submitted, and then the total score, and then these are the individual assignments right here. So what you'll do is you'll come down to where it says download Excel, and what I'd like to do is I'll download the Excel spreadsheet, and then I will take the names, the IDs of my students, and then I'll take the total scores right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them into a Google Sheets spreadsheet here. Okay, so I've got all my fake names right here, and this is actually from a class that I was teaching last semester. And I've got my total scores right here from all of my students, and then I've got my IDs and of course my names here, which I've changed in this particular case. Okay, so what we want to do is figure out how to curve these grades right here. So we'll come over to the total score right here, and you'll see this little drop down caret, so we can filter these. You can do this in Excel as well, but we're going to filter these from Z to A. And right here, so I've got my top scores right there. And what I'm going to do now is I can take all of these top scores and I can assign my A's, B's, C's, D's, and I think I've got 1 or 2 F's down here as well. Okay, so now I've assigned all of my grades here. With a 0, I'm actually going to change that one to an F because these students haven't done anything right here. Actually, that's going to be a D minus, and that's going to be a D and a D as well. Okay, so now that I've got all of my scores throughout here, so I've got my curve, and now I can come back to my total scores. Sorry, not my total scores, but I'll come over to my student IDs right here. And with my student IDs, now I can order my students A to Z. So now I've got all of my students set up in a perfect curve so that I can take these scores and I can put them into my final grade sheet here. And this is how we can work with the ZENGENGO gradebook once your students have completed all of the assignments. I really do hope that this video was helpful in showing you how to use the ZENGENGO grade sheet and how to export your grades, and then also give a curve to your scores once you've downloaded all of your grade sheets here. If you do have any questions, please do be sure to post them in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, and also please do subscribe to the channel so that you can be updated with some of the weekly videos that I post out here on Education Solutions. Thanks a lot, and as always, adios. I'll see you in the next video.